The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois until 2 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pontoon Beach, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicator. Are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Pontoon Beach, South Roxana and Hartford around 1:15 p.m. Edwardsville and Collinsville around 1:20 p.m. Glen Carbon and Maryville around 1:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Pogue, Kuhn, Fruit, and Kaufman. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 in Illinois near exit 23. Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 24. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.